Hello, this is now another video for the 2022 World Skills for the casting cup. I put this image so that you can be capturing the measurements as we go on because the other screen is very small. Okay, then now I go to the software. I put the small version of the dimensions on the left so that you can see it. But for any more reference, you can go back and look at the previous screen. Okay, let's start. As usual, start with saving. This one we shall call it casting cup. And then please make sure you put it in the right folder. For me, it is WorldSkills. And then we start drawing. So I'll pick, let me pick the front view this time. And then I'll draw the largest diameter, which is 150 from the drawing, and I'll extrude this by 30 millimeters, which is the overall diameter. Then I'll draw another circle here and draw my first cut, which will be at 90 mils. Extrude, the depth of which is 12.5. 12.5 with a negative. Okay, so because the next one is a small diameter, then we start from the back. I click at the back, and then there I will draw according to this. If I expand this a bit here, you will see the diameters as they go. So the next one is 65. So I do 65, enter. And the depth of that one is there is 6, so we extrude. That will be -6. And then I click on the bottom surface and do another sketch. And this time it's going to be 55. And then I click on that, extrude, and that is negative. That one 6.5. Negative 6.5. Going inside, and then the next one will be 5 mils actually. And that will take on the inside diameter, which you can get from this other drawing, which is 50. So we do a circle, and that is 50. Then extrude that to -5. Should be able to go through. Okay, so that's done. We have a chamfer there of 1 mil inside this one, inside the second step. Okay, so we do chamfer, and then pick that edge, and then we need to change this into it normally reads distance, but we need to change it from to distance and angle. So we put 1 here, and we put here 64. Okay, I pick it. Yeah. Okay. Now that is as far as the walls are concerned. So if we go back at this side, then we are going to do another sketch and do a pattern. So these holes are 6.6 mils, and it's a counter bore on a PCD of 137. So I start with a PCD of 137, 137.5, and then I will just change that circle into a construction. And then, since this can be got from the whole tool, I'll put a point instead of a circle. So I just put 1 point there, and then after doing that, I pick a circular pattern. I pick that one as the sketch, and then I pick this one as the center. Change that one to 6, and then say okay. So now we have all our points. If you tilt it a bit, you can see the points there. Then I go straight to the hole tool. In the hole tool, if I just pick all these, okay, then you can see you need to put all these. You need to change that, change the top of the countersink, the depth of the countersink, and then the depth of the holes, and then make sure that that reads counter bore and also a flat bottom and a simple hole. And then you click OK. So that one is done now. After that, we have other holes which are from this end. So you click on that surface again. We draw sketch. We have 4 holes this time. Those holes there, 4.2, 10 deep, equal spaced along a PCD of 115. 115, enter. These are simple holes, so we shall just draw a circle and pattern it. So we go up here. The circle is 4.2. Enter. We need to change this one into the construction so that it doesn't disturb us. So if I push this one a bit down, I can go back, make another circular pattern, pick that circle, select this one as our center point. We need 4 holes. Then I click OK. I chose the center instead of, so I need to go back and I chose the center. So instead of choosing the actual circle, I chose the center. I'll just do Control Z, and then change that one. Then I go to circular pattern. Let me be sure I pick that one. Make sure I pick the hole. Yeah, and I put 4. And then I say okay. Now it looks like holes. Then I say edit, tilt it a bit, and I click the holes. And the depth of the holes is 10. So it's -10. Let's see, okay. Then we have another 4 holes on this surface here. I go to sketch. These holes are on a PCD of 75. So I put 75. Same type of holes. This one is 4.2. Change this one to construction. Then I do a circular pattern. I pick this one as our sketch. Select this one and choose 4 of them. Let me see. Be careful that you choose the hole, not the center. So everything is okay. I do extrude. And this one is a depth of 8. So I'll extrude these ones to a depth of -8. And then I say okay. And that one should be the drawing now finished. Thank you.